Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Confident of winning the crucial by-elections in Madhya Pradesh, Bharatiya Janata Party MP in Rajya Sabha, Jyotiraditya Scindia said the elections will definitely teach some humility to former Chief Minister Kamal Nath. Scindia quit the Congress in March this year and 22 Madhya Pradesh Congress MLAs loyal to him also resigned along with him. The exodus from Congress brought down the Kamal Nath-led state government. Now, by-polls to a total of 28 seats in the state are taking place today. Of the 28 seats going to polls, 16 come under the Gwalior-Chambal region, which is considered to be Jyotiraditya Scindia's pocket borough. The former Congress leader targeted former Chief Minister Kamal Nath over corruption allegations as he sought to stress the issues with the Congress regime. We spoke to the Rajya Sabha MP over phone and this is what he had to say.
If it was about personal ambition, then I would have kicked up a fuss when Kamal Nath was made PCC president, or I would have put in a huge objection when he was made chief minister, and you yourself are witness that in both occasions I acquiesced immediately and put my full support behind the party and worked my guts out.
Right.
And even this time around, Shivraj Singh Chauhan is the chief minister and not me.
Right.
So my agenda is really development and progress for the region and for the state and for the people that I have a strong bonding with. And I have my firm belief that this time around, on the 28 seats, not only the 16, because I've been touring on all 28, every single seat is important to me. 22 MLAs came along.
Scindia also spoke about the charges of personal ambition driving his decision to move to the BJP, adding that he is not eyeing any post and is just working for the party. Moreover, he highlighted the cultural integration between his group of ex-Congress leaders and the Bharatiya Janata Party.
जैसे हिंदी में कहावत है ना कि चीनी जैसे चाय में घुल जाती है. That's the way we have tried to ensure that the full integration does take place. The actions speak louder than words, and in the last 3.5 months, you've seen how all of us have worked side by side, shoulder to shoulder, to make sure that this is a success.
Right.
And I must, for that, thank the blessings of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, the BJP President JP Nadda ji, as well as the Home Minister Amit Shah and Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the State President B.D. Sharma. They have been unequivocal in their support and to ensure that this integration happens. But it's also a process where respect has to be given both ways. Not only do the people who are joining the party have to be given respect, but also the people who are joining have to ensure that they give a huge amount of respect to the stalwarts of the BJP.
When asked if he's eyeing the Chief Minister's post, Scindia was quick to categorically deny it. But at the same time, considering there is speculation that after getting the Rajya Sabha seat, Scindia will also get a place in the Modi cabinet, he said his ambition is not about himself.
Oh, absolutely not. Categorically not. I have never have, because if you see my conduct over the last 20 years, even with regard to PCC as well as Chief Minister's post, when Rahul Gandhi told me that he's making him PCC president, I said, absolutely, go ahead. I'll put my best behind him.
Right.
And I think my work speaks for itself in that campaign.
Right.
And then when he said that he'll make him chief minister, I said, please go ahead. I'll announce his name, announce my support for his name immediately. I'm not a guy who hankers after a nameplate or a post. My passion is really my passion and my connect with my people and development.
Right.
When I was in the Congress party, the only role that I saw for myself was that of a worker of the Congress party. When I'm today in the BJP, the only role that I see for myself, similarly, is as a worker of the BJP. And also let me say to you, Neelam, that every human being has an ambition. I'm sure you do as well, being a journalist. And I have an ambition, but my ambition is not about myself, not about a post, not about a peg, not about a nameplate. My ambition is very strongly for the people of my state and contributing to their development and their progress. And if at all there is a sort of a ceiling on that ambition, the ceiling is that I want to find a place in people's hearts. And if I'm able to do that, then I will consider my life a life having been led in a proper and a decent manner.
The Madhya Pradesh bypolls are being considered a prestige battle for Jyotiraditya Scindia, and the results for this will be declared on November 10th. This is Neelam Pandey for The Print. Keep following our YouTube channel for more updates.